In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to successfully log out of your Threads account. Let's get started by opening the Threads app on your device. Access your profile. Upon opening the app, locate your profile icon situated at the bottom right corner of the screen. It typically looks like a small circular image representing your profile picture. Navigate to Account Options. After tapping on your profile icon, you'll notice two horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on those lines to access further options. Log out of your account. As you explore the additional options, you'll find the Logout feature conveniently positioned at the bottom of the screen. To proceed with logging out of your account, tap on the Logout option. Select your next steps. Once you've successfully logged out, you'll be presented with a few choices. You can either log back in using your Instagram account or choose to switch to a different account if you prefer. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to effortlessly log out of your Threads account. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Your questions and feedback are always welcome, so don't hesitate to leave them in the comments section below. In addition to that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon